Hello, my amazing viewers. You are asked to calculate the value of y in this given diagram. Okay, it's actually very, very simple. Okay, now for us to solve this, looking at this diagram, you can see that we have this line here and this line here are parallel. Okay, so for that reason, we are going to extend this line here. Okay, we are going to trace it like this, okay? And we are going to name here any variable of our choice. Let's name it A, okay? And we'll have to name inside here maybe X, okay? And here becomes B. Okay, now we are done the first step, okay, by naming this side. The first thing is to extend, then name the angles that are supposed to be there, okay. Now the first angle we are going to find is angle A. Let's find this angle first, okay. So it simply means that A equals 105 degrees. Since here is 105 degrees, here will also be 105 degrees. Why? Because they are corresponding, okay? Corresponding angles are equal, okay? They are corresponding angles and they are what? Equal. That is the reason for this place being the same number with this, okay? They are corresponding angles. So since we have gotten here, we can easily find this place, okay? This and this are on a straight line. So we have that B plus A equals 180 degrees because sum of the angle on a straight line are equal to what? 180 degrees. Sum of the angles on a straight line are equal to what? 180 degrees. So we have B plus A is 105 and this equals 180. Okay, so we are going to collect like terms. So B will be equal to 180 degrees minus 105, and this equals 180 minus 105 will give us 75 degrees. Okay, 75 degrees. You can see that it's very, very simple. So we have gotten this value and also this value. Remember that we are trying to solve for y, and it can only be possible when we have all these values. Okay, so from here we have to find what? X. And note that X and 123 degrees are also on a straight line. Okay, so for that reason we are going to have that X plus 123 degrees equals 180 degrees, and the same reason sum of the angles on a straight line. Okay, so from here we have that X equals 180 degrees minus 123 degrees. Okay, so from here let's subtract. We have 180 minus 123. Now take 1 here, that will be 10. 10 minus 3 will give us 7. 7 minus 2 will give us 5. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So we have this to be equal to 57 degrees. Okay, so we have gotten X as 57 degrees and we have gotten B as 75, and A is what? 105. Now we can now solve for Y. So how do we get the value of Y? Looking at this, we can see that this place formed what? Triangle. This place formed what? Triangle. That means that sum of A, B, and Y equals what? 180 degrees, because sum of the angles in a triangle is what? 180 degrees. So we are going to have X plus Y plus B equals 180 degrees. Okay, that is sum of the angles in a triangle. Sum of the angles in a triangle equals 180 degrees. So from here, X is 57 degrees plus Y, then plus B is 75 degrees. Okay, and this equals 180 degrees. So from here we have 57 degrees plus 75 degrees will give us 132 degrees plus Y equals 180 degrees. So from here, let's collect like terms and we have Y equals 180 degrees minus 132 degrees. Okay, so from here, Y will be equal to 48 degrees. That is 132 degrees subtract from 180 degrees. We have 48 degrees as the value of what? Y. I hope this is very, very clear and interesting. Please share your thoughts in the comment section. Tell us what you think about the explanation. It will help us to improve, okay? And also remember to share this video and support us by sharing this video. Bye bye.